Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing CAVR, GOFF, HMBL, ICBU, IQST, MTRT, NSAV, UCPA, UVSS, and CSLI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we'll be covering. And they also get our free ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And the best part is that our email and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Real lackluster week on the OTC markets. A lot of the popular names got hit, weak, selling down, all on low volume. On Friday, we had 1,837 advancers to 2,459 decliners on just $2.34 billion in trading volume. So again, volumes on the light side, things are just drifting lower. There's just a lack of enthusiasm for people on the OTC markets. Even the stocks today that I'm going to be talking about, some runners, if you look at the interaction with the tweets, people just aren't paying attention. You know, UCPA was up, 176%. And, the people that were tweeting about it, they had like 8 likes on the tweet. So, that tells you that people just are not interested right now, or at least last week. That's why we did not send any OTC alerts out. We had one NASDAQ alert on Monday, which had a nice pop. But we just overall, we don't want anyone to lose money. So it's like, why push it? Cash is a great position right now. If we don't see anything, we're not going to just send something for the sake of sending something, blow up your email or your phone. So, apologies, but, we have to look at what we think is best for our subscribers, and we just didn't think it was worth sending out any alerts last week. Hoping this week is different. I'm running scans and screens all weekend. There's a lot of great plays out there, a lot of low floaters, looking for catalysts, just waiting for some PR drops. And when the time is right, we'll send out our full report on these names. But until then, we're just going to keep watching the markets and, doing videos, posting content on the site for you guys. First up is CAVR. This is just a $49 million market cap. What's impressive about this one is that it did $8 million in revenue for 2020. It's forecasted to do 20 to 25 million this year. The team is really executing. 5 of 7 acquisitions have already been completed. They put out a big update on February 2nd. The company is going to be, it's Live to Be Happy Inc. The symbol's soon going to change to LTBH. Great team. They know what they're doing. They're executing. A lot of the good CEOs on the OTC markets, they're not even paying attention to the markets right now. They're not paying attention to their stock price. They're just focusing on building their business, completing acquisitions, and growing revenues. And these are the types of plays that will be very, very successful in the long run, especially once this bull market, we go from the bear to the bull market. We're going to see a lot of 10x opportunities. And guys, it's going to be a rip your face off type of rally. You're going to get 10x in some of these stocks in the matter of days. And we saw it last year. The bull market last year was from November to February 10th. It was just an incredible time. We saw huge gains. If you look at what we were early in last year on ENZC, ABML, ALPP, and HMBL, and it was just incredible gains. 100x, 200x, almost 300x in Humble. So it was an incredible time, and let's hope those days come back much sooner rather than later. Next up is GOFF. Shares being canceled are always great news. We're waiting for the merger to come. George Sharp, he has delivered. He's great at when it comes to filings, getting reverse mergers done. But in terms of operating a business and executing, I don't think he knows what he's doing there. So case in point is HMBL. Guys, I'm not going to bash or say anything, but I will say this. Whenever a company releases news after hours on a Friday, it's never good. Hope next week is better. But, look at the stock price. I mean, we had thought it bottomed, earlier. It had two bottoming patterns here at 40 cents and then at 22 cents. We're at 16 cents right now. Someone knows something. Someone's been selling. And, this is, a big seller. This is insiders. This is, whatever the printing press on the shares. Don't let anyone, fool you. Someone's selling, and if you can't figure that out, why does a stock go down? It's supply and demand. There's more sellers than buyers, and retail does not have the amount of share this amount of shares to depress the stock price like this. So bash me, throw your middle finger at me, call me names. I'm just trying to keep it real with you guys. Someone knew, about this, what Brian was going to put out. They are taking down their block ETX products. Yes, they have other business lines, but this is certainly a setback, and I can't spin it, and I'm not going to spin it. So let's see how the price action is on Monday, and we'll reevaluate. But again, news on a Friday after the close is never good. Okay, guys, next up is ICBU. Up 93% last week. Nice week. This is an NFT play with the Eagles. Epic Rock Band. This is very exclusive to ICBU. So again, NFTs are hot right now. Just a $12 million market cap. I mean, there's NFTs selling more than this company's market cap. So they're in the right space, right sector, like what they're doing, and they have a deal with the Eagles, and look forward to their first NFT drop coming shortly. So great move there, and congrats to the management behind ICBU. They're making some moves there. Next up, guys, is IQST. Again, this one is should be back above $1. There's no other reason why except the current market conditions. I mean, they've eliminated all their convertible debt. They're preparing to uplist. $89 million market cap, and they're doing projected to do 90 million in revenues this year, and a Nasdaq uplisting coming. Guys, this is an absolute no-brainer. Don't let the day-to-day share price bother you. I would just, this is one real company, real revenues. This is one that you can buy the dips, and you can hodl IQST. Next up is MTRT. Really nice moves over the past 7 days, up 174%. A lot of they've merged with Medium. They did the share exchange back in October. Medium is a Korean blockchain company which has the fastest blockchain processing speed ever recorded. So this is quite the deal. There's a lot of chatter coming out of South Korea. They were on the news the other day, signing a deal with Sony Music. Again, this one is doing a lot. They signed a deal with Busan Bank, which is launching a digital asset business in the metaverse with Medium. So again, signing a lot of deals. A lot of people aren't paying attention to it because it's a Korean blockchain company, but MTRT is one that you should be paying attention to, and look at the price. When this thing starts going running, it really moves. So we've had two major price spikes. And then this is the third. So this has been a good performer, and one that you should keep on your radar screen. NSAV up 32% on Friday. You got the rounding bottom here. Just been putting out a lot of news. Again, they're doing signing deals, putting out PRs left and right. The market's sort of ignoring him, but again, when the market starts turning, this is going to run. And look at the run we had last summer. Went from basically this level of under 2 cents to 14 cents in a matter of a week or two. So again, tremendous opportunities here. NSAV, this one could, once the market starts getting hot, this one will easily 10x with all the news that they've been putting out, and they're in the right space. Crypto, blockchain, DeFi, NFTs. This is where you want to be. These types of plays are hot, and really what you want to be focused on the OTC. Next up is UCPA. This is the big runner on Friday, up 176%. They put out news after the bell on Thursday, gapped up, and it was still a double. It opened at 0.008, hit as high as 0.0168. That's a double. If again, at the opening bell, you went in, you made 100% on your money. These are the types of plays we look for, and this is why we release our plays at the opening bell. This is what you have to be paying attention to, and be quick. So again, text messaging is the fastest way to get our alerts. So after you sign up with your email at signup.insiderfinancial.com, you can then sign up with your mobile number, and this is the fastest way to get our alerts. UCPA, I mean, again, this is just a $22 million market cap and just 318 million shares in the float. And again, this was the news put out. They did an acquisition with United Communications Partners, the owner of Trekoner Media in Sweden and Denmark. So again, perfect opportunity, and congrats to all that caught UCPA. Last up is UVSS and CSLI. These are NFT plays. UVSS up 300% over the past 3 days. Just a $6.8 million market cap. NFTs, announced no reverse split, $76 million market cap. It is a subsidiary of CSLI, which had 2 good days. This is just a $5.9 million market cap. Again, two extremely undervalued plays. CSLI put out a big update in January. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, they're just doing deals left and right. Great management team here, led by Robert Monk. For UVSS, the Twitter handle is DG_distro. This is what they've been putting out updates here. We said we have started a process to acquire a premium news service to complement and announce our content offerings. Leadership will be meeting the oncoming company on February 23rd to begin the doc signing and onboarding process. So again, a lot of happening with UVSS and CSLI, both undervalued plays here. So again, I know a lot of people are in the big names are discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Don't keep buying the dip on some of your big plays. When the momentum turns, we'll all know it. That's when you can then start putting money to work. Really, where you want to be looking for is fresh plays, low market cap. Low floats with catalysts, dropping PRs like UCPA, doing deals. So, again, this is what we'll be looking for this week for our subscribers. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. If you bet the Super Bowl, good luck, Bengals, Rams fans. I have no dog in the fight, just hoping that it's a good game and not a snooze fest. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll be coming live Monday after the bell with a new video. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.